Hey friends, we are on our way to the Cracker Barrel. It is so hot right now. It is literally almost 90 something degrees. Murder out here, so I'm gonna turn my air on, but I will catch up with you guys as soon as we get to the Cracker Barrel and show you what's inside for us. I'm really curious to see what's left because I know a lot of people were like buying to resell or for themselves, and so I'm not too sure what's available because I'm going very late in the game, but that's okay. Let's go see what is available for us right now. Friends, we're here at the Cracker Barrel. I don't know what to expect because I've never been inside here, but it's giving very much Americana. Friends, so I was not expecting what I saw when I went to Cracker Barrel, but instantly you're welcomed with so much Halloween stuff. And it's really cool that this is inside of a restaurant. I have never been inside a Cracker Barrel, so it was really fun to check it out for once. I don't know, the name kind of just scared me, and as a person of color who is queer, you gotta be careful with where you go. But for Halloween things, I'm tempted to try and see what they do have. And so I did see. So first things first, they have tons of baby things. I don't plan on having kids, but if you do or have kids, they have stuff for you and them to get dressed up with, and it's pretty cute. They also have tons of like globes and cups and liquor and just like all these nice little fun shiny things. I try to limit the stuff that I buy to only like home decor for the most part. So I wasn't gonna grab just anything, but they do have a little bit of everything for whoever you are and what you're shopping for. I feel like the animated broom became really popular once people started seeing it like DIY'd on Instagram and TikTok and stuff. And so now it's available like kind of everywhere. I think all the stores are carrying it this year. Another thing that they really did a good job with was all their sippy cups. I really like the ones with the dancing skeletons. They also have some really, really nice, just like random things like hand soap, and they have tons of globes. Also, again, the ornaments, a great selection. I am planning on doing a Halloween tree, so I did grab 2 ornaments, but they also have a ton of other ones that are really, really beautiful. Something that I do like to buy are these reusable bags because I love Halloween all year round, and so when I'm grocery shopping, I like to bring these with me, and they're also really nice to bring to like estate sales and stuff, so I always have them in my car. If you're into Nightmare Before Christmas, they have these cute, freaking cute little plushies of Oogie Boogie as well as Jack, and they're perfect for either your kids or yourself if you're into collecting them. I also really, really love these skeleton mugs. I don't even know why I didn't buy it because I wanted it, but I guess it just didn't click, and so I saw this video when I edited it. But yeah, they do have a ton of skull stuff, and the skull mugs are just really, really nice. And then, friends, I found it. Not the blow mode that I wanted, but a blow mode. And so I really contemplated, should I get it or not? And just keep watching and we'll see if I ended up getting this blow mode. They had this really cool puzzle and like coloring book situation. I was really intrigued by that because I'm an illustrator and artist, so I love seeing art like this. And just making it usable as well, I think is really fun. They also have tons of licensed things like Winnie the Pooh, Snoopy, Hello Kitty. So lots of options if you're into any of those characters. They have a little bit of something for everybody. I'm a sucker for all things Snoopy and Peanuts. I just think ever since like it was created, like they do such a good job with Halloween stuff. Now let me stop talking here so you can hear this little thing and the noise that I make because it's pretty cool. That was fun. The next thing that I saw was this skeleton in a Cracker Barrel, and friends, it does not work. And I've seen a couple of people post about this thing and it never works. So I don't recommend buying it because it just seems like it goes out of, I don't know, it just stops working. So I don't know if you should buy that, but there are tons of other skeleton things, as you can see. And it doesn't stop there. They have tons of other things like other plushies and toys and like just a bunch of brands. They also have tons of like candy and soda and drinks and all kinds of stuff. This store was really cool, and I'm really glad that I went. I've never been to Cracker Barrel, so if you haven't either, you should probably go. They were so nice in there. I'm so glad that I went in there. I had such a good time. It was like pretty quick, but there's so much stuff in there. I will definitely have to come back. I don't know if it's just for Halloween stuff, but for stuff like they have great candy, beverages, gifts. I was really impressed. And I got the Black Cat Jack-o'-lantern blow mode. It was the last one. It was actually the display, and I asked her, I was like, can I please have that? And they said yes. So here it is. I'm contemplating getting it because I really want the witch over anybody, but I don't really have too many blow modes. I have 2 blow modes, I believe, that my in-laws gave me that were my boyfriend's grandmother, and it's from the year 1999 or 2000. So I really love old blow modes, but I also just wanted some new ones to add to my collection. And so I got this one, and it's so freaking cute, and they're so affordable, like only $40. And then of course, I honestly don't want the big lanterns, this, but I saw these and I was like, I have to get them just for the nostalgia factor, so that I can remember when everyone went crazy over these ghost lanterns. So they're just 2 ornaments. One is the white one and one is the black one. And they're only $3.99, which is so freaking cheap. So I'm so glad to have these because I'm definitely gonna add them to my Halloween tree when I get it this October. I'm really excited. So make sure you guys follow along so you can see me decorate that tree very soon. Overall, this was like a successful 10-minute trip. Now on Friday, I think I might go and see if they do have the witch blow mode at another Cracker Barrel nearby. Hey friends, a quick little stop in this haul because my mom actually went to Cracker Barrel for me back in Connecticut, and she happened to find the one and only thing that I was looking for, the witch blow mode. It just so happens that when you live in New England or New York City, find that you'll get things a lot quicker up there, and basically every store that I've been trying to buy from, my mom has had the options of everything being in stock and just having all the Halloween things, while down here it's been very, very slow. But nonetheless, this was the main thing that I wanted, friends, and she found it for me. It was the last one. She snagged it, and look how beautiful it is. It reminds me of 90s witch blow molds. I am obsessed. The other thing that I really wanted was this set of salt and pepper shakers, and I'm gonna unbox it here for you. You know what I was going crazy over? The stuff that actually looks like Halloween. You know what that entails? Black cats and jack-o'-lanterns. I got the black cat and jack-o'-lantern salt and pepper shaker set. Why is that always so hard to say? So excited. It got here so quick. Like, I literally just ordered it, like, I think 2 days ago. This is what they look like. I think they are so gorgeous. I don't know why these haven't sold out yet, because they are freaking beautiful. We have the jack-o'-lantern, we have the black cat. I don't really have too many black cats. The sun is coming out right now. Hold on. I don't have too many black cats in my Halloween collection, so that I like this as an addition. These are perfect, honestly, just to have like a part of your collection on the shelf, but also for decorating your Halloween table set. Well, spooky friends, we persisted, and at least I have this one to come home with me. I almost left him, honestly, but as a brujito boricua, this little witch, I just couldn't leave this familiar by himself, and they told me he was the last one, and I was just like, no, he has to come home with me because he deserves a good home. A good Puerto Rican witchy home. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more Code Oranges, spooky hauls, and a fun, queer Latino artist who makes lots of witchy artwork, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check out my website and my art shop, and also follow me on all my social medias because I post a lot of spooky things over there. I will see you all in the next Code Orange video. Take care and keep it spooky, friends.